I'm not doing anything real fancy for this one because this is just y equals mx plus b. Again, y equals mx plus b can be substituted for t of n equals m times n plus b. No big difference. Okay, we're dealing with m and n instead of x and y. So we have with a third term of 12 and a seventh term of 32. Essentially, we're looking at 3 comma 12 and 7 comma 32. So we can find the slope and then we can plug one of those back in. That's probably the best way to approach this. Change in y over the change in x. M is equal to y2 minus y1, 32 minus 12 over 7 minus 3, x2 minus x1. Gives me a grand total of 20 over 4. My slope is 5. I could write that in here, right there. 5n plus whatever, or minus whatever. But I know that the slope is 5, so I can go here and put a 5. And I can use, I don't know, that for x and that for y. That's my input. And if I plug that in, the output, that was supposed to be a 3. If I plug 3 in, the output then is supposed to be 12, equals 12. So that's a 15 plus b. If I subtract 15 from both sides, I end up with a b that equals negative 3. So minus 3 is in fact my sequence. Is the third term 12? We'll plug in 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. You do the same thing with 7, the seventh term. Plug in 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 minus 3 is 32. It checks out.